Do you want to make 1 million Naira in no time? Then follow these simple, actionable steps that anyone in Nigeria can start today, even if you have zero money, zero connections, and little effort to spare. First, you need to pick a high-demand skill that requires no startup money. It could be content writing, social media management, digital design using free Canva, online tutoring, or even basic data analysis with Excel and Google Sheets. Spend just a few days learning the basics. Free tutorials on YouTube and free courses online are enough to get started. Next, don't wait until you're a so-called expert. Start selling immediately. Create a one-page portfolio on Canva, share samples of your work, and post daily on WhatsApp status, LinkedIn, and Twitter. Message small business owners and influencers who might need your service. Offer a free trial to one client just to collect testimonials and build trust. Remember, your first goal is not perfection, it's getting paid. Now start charging. Set your prices between 5,000 and 20,000 Naira per service. That could be one blog post, a set of social media designs, a short analysis report, or 1 week of online tutoring. Just 5 clients at 10,000 Naira each, and you've already made 50,000. That's proof of concept and your first win. Once you've gotten a few clients, turn one-off jobs into retainer packages. For example, offer monthly social media design packages at 50,000, or weekly tutoring sessions at 20,000. Use referrals. Give a discount to anyone who brings you a new client. With just 10 loyal clients, you're already at 500,000 Naira in 1 month. Finally, scale beyond your time. Start creating digital products that sell even while you sleep. Write a simple ebook, record a short online course using your phone, or design ready-made templates. Sell them for 3,000 to 5,000 Naira each using platforms like Seller or Flutterwave. With just 200 buyers, you've crossed 1 million. That's the power of leverage. So there you have it, from 0 to 1 million Naira in weeks, without physical stress, without capital, and without waiting for the perfect moment. Start today. Pick a skill, get your first client, scale with packages, and then multiply with digital products. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more smart strategies like this, and drop a comment saying, "I'm ready to hit 1 MO," so I know you're serious.